First time in my life I'm having this kind of a welcome. Wearing mala.
If you understand chakras from the vertical perspective, you will misunderstand. You will misunderstand the entire chakra concept. You have to understand the chakra system from the horizontal perspective. How many of you know how to play music instruments? So like there is 7 notes, musical notes. So in the 7 notes, is there any one note more important than the other? You have to master all the 7 notes, then only you are a music maestro. So the first note starts with small sa, then the pitch increases, re, then ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. It is not like you are leaving here and you are going. You are mastering the new note while simultaneously you are mastering the previous notes.
बड़े से लगते हैं ये धरती ये नदियाँ ये रहना और